Hey everyone, Tiffany here, and today I'll give you the rundown on a bestseller variety pack that Nespresso offers for 3 of their top-selling coffee capsule flavors. This pack's nice if you haven't really decided on your favorite Nespresso flavors yet and you want to give several a try. This variety pack has 3 sleeves, and one of them is Stormio with the green. One of them is Melozio with kind of the yellowy beige color here, and the other one is Odacio with the blue. The Stormio flavor is the darkest roast of the bunch. It is an intensity 8 and it's a very rich, woodsy flavor. Melozio is the lightest of the bunch. They call it a medium roast, and it's just a really nicely balanced cup of coffee. Odacio is kind of in between the two. It's a 7 on the intensity scale. Nespresso describes it as bold and fruity. I don't know if I'm really detecting the fruity flavors in there. Normally coffees with fruitiness aren't my personal favorite, and I don't notice it in Odacio. I just really enjoy the coffee. All of these coffees are for the 7.8 ounce size, so I like to say mug size. They will all only work with your Vertuo machine. I use them on my Vertuo Plus over there, and while that one is kind of one of their more streamlined machines, doesn't even have a frother, but now since I've started with Nespresso, I don't even use milk in my coffee anymore. I really enjoy the crema that you're gonna find on top of every single Nespresso cup of coffee you ever make. And the coffees in this variety pack, just like every Nespresso cup of coffee you're ever going to make, the capsules themselves are fully recyclable, so no need to feel bad that you're just brewing up a single cup, you're not making a lot of mess, and you are not making a problem for the environment because that pod is fully able to be recycled. I hope this review on this Nespresso variety pack was helpful to you. Stay positive, be kind, and I'll see you next time.